set ngayon ng High Street, but we are here to tell you guys na manood kayo ng Zoomers. Episode 3? Episode 3 is tonight.
Yes.
Yeah, episode 3 is tonight. And we are inviting you to watch in a couple of minutes.
This year. Raho, what's up,
Wala
Raho?
ako namamansin kaya to. Minsan.
I'm watching Pamilya
Sagrado right now. Was Sagrado on? Kasama ba ako sa episode?
9:15. Di ba High Street ngayon?
No. Oo nga no.
Yeah.
It is High Street, right? Where is it High Street?
Sagrado High Street and then Zoomers.
And then Zoomers. Yeah.
Kiss mo na, lo.
So what do we do?
I don't know. Recap ng season 1 and 2.
Oh,
Ay,
recap.
season 1.
Okay, let's
F1,
recap.
F1, 2.
Let's recap season 1.
Check na season 1.
Okay, season 1 starts with
The hospital.
it starts with the hospital. Meron tayong tease of episode 8? We have a tease of episode 8. Tapos yung opening ng show basically is first day, right? First day of senior high.
Yeah.
First day of senior high.
The last year of senior.
The last year. Yeah, the last year of senior high. Tapos merong study group called the Zoomers study group. And nagplano sila na magkita. Naging friends sila over the pandemic. So nagplano sila magkita-kita sa first day. Tapos before nagkita yung Zoomers, Jigs, Atom, Tanya,
Hope and
Kokoy. They all sort of interact with each other pero hindi siya good interaction. Nag-aaway-aaway sila. Yung si Jigs siya si Atom mag-aaway. Tapos ending ng episode, sila pala yung Zoomers.
Oh. What? Sabi pa ni sino ba yun? Si Kokoy sabi niya. Sino si Jimmy Proton?
Oh.
Pasok ako.
Ako.
Me. Me.
Uy, hi Jella. Come here Jella. Come here, Jels. Agio, please.
Yuck! Kadiri.
No. Asan daw si Riley?
Asa si Riley umuwi na? Na kay Mami.
May nabasa ko yung ano.
Ito na lang. Hanapin natin favorite scene natin from season 1.
Okay.
Ikaw ba? Anong F?
Anong F? Probably yung eksena namin ni Kokoy. Yung nagwala si Jigs. Yun. I would say that's my favorite scene. It's like 7? That's 7.
Nagwala si Jigs sa...
7, right? Anong strand pwede mag-cutting?
Wala.
Wesley, tigilan mo na si Sky. No. Ikaw, tigilan mo na si Roxy.
Ako?
Oo.
Sabi nila?
Kung titigilan ko si Sky, tigilan mo si Roxy.
Di pwede.
Exactly.
Di pwede.
Wesley versus Jigs versus Percy. Okay. Wesley would kill the both of them. Hey, we have a special guest. We have a visitor.
But you're talking about Zoomers.
Yeah, it's fine.
In our High
a little
Street
crossover.
Yeah, in your High Street.
Hi, Sir Franco.
Sir Franco,
Yeah.
pasok kayo.
Hello po.
Yeah,
We have our idol.
Sir Franco.
Ano to, TikTok?
IG.
IG live.
Si Jels is here. Come here, Jels. Wait, sorry.
I'm gonna go.
Sorry. Okay, bye, Jels. Say bye to Jels. Tama mo yung ano mo.
Kanina to, si Harvey.
Are you going to do?
Hi guys. Welcome to the Harvey channel.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Ingat, Jels.
Bye-bye, see you.
Ituloy ang kasal. Kasal ni...
Anong kasal?
Kasal niyo?
Anong kasal?
Kasal ni ano?
Kasal ni Sanya?
Ani Sanya ni
Sanya
Kenji.
at saka ni Kenji.
Oopsie. Kaninong kasalanan yun? Di natuloy. Kasalanan yun ni Kenji.
Bakit kaya?
Desisyon niya yun eh. In-expose lang ni Wesley si Kenji.
Bakit?
Kasi nilalaat ni Kenji si Wesley na hindi niya makuha si Sky.
Pero type pa talaga ni Wesley si Sky.
Hindi lang type, obsessed talaga na,
Obsessed.
you know, weird.
Pero in fairness galing mo dun.
No, thank you, sir. Agree ba kayo, guys?
Magaling
Thumbs up.
talaga to.
Thumbs up.
Mm-mm.
Thank you po.
May pinagmanahan eh. Uy, kayo na. Ba't ako nandito sa
Ay,
gitna?
hello. Mm. So, iuusog ko lang dito yung cam ng very slight. Hello. Sorry, medyo dito ako ngayon. It's been a long day. It's been a long day of being Wesley. Promote ko lang. Guys, manood kayo ng Pamilya Sagrado ng High Street and ng Zoomers.
True.
Manood kayo. Because I'm there. Pinaghirapan ko yung 3 na yun. 3 shows
Zoomers,
na yun.
please.
Yeah, and Zoomers. Zoomers. I can't tell you. Siyempre, di ko naman pwede sabihin kung ano yung prioritize nila. But, all 3 is good. Zoomers just aired.
Trending na
Started
naman.
airing.
Oh, trending na naman si
Ano naman
Harvey.
kayo sa X, Harvey.
Wow.
Thank you.
Always nanonood. Thank you so much. Chris V. Hart.
Sarang hey.
Lahat ng mga nag-edit dyan, pinapanood ko lahat.
Mm.
Promise.
Mm.
The best.
Kaano-ano ka ba ni Gov? Secret? Wala. Zoomers. Yes, Zoomers. Please, no.
No.
No. Congrats to all 3. Thank you, sir.
Layuan si Roxy.
Ayun,
Bakit?
si Roxy.
Bakit ba ayaw na ayaw nyo sa akin? Yan ha? Medyo nakakasakit na.
Nakasakit na yun. Sa akin din eh. Nakita ko rin yung mga tweets tungkol kay Wesley. Alam mo, may mga ano lang kami dalawa ni Doc Kev. May mga needs.
Oo.
May mga needs lang kami dalawa.
Ang need ko, mahalin si Roxy.
Ang need ko, therapy.
Uy, ano daw masasabi mo sa Chris V. Billboard?
Crazy. That was crazy. Thank you, Chris V. Chris V fans. That was crazy.
Grabe.
Nakita ko yun. That
Gulat
was
din ako.
day off nung uwi namin from
From
Bohol.
Bohol.
Tapos, minention lang ni Kuya PJ yung isang ano namin, promo head namin for Zoomers. And unfortunately, di ako nakadaan. Kasi iba yung daan namin pa uwi.
EDSA.
EDSA kasi. But I saw it. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you so much. Tulog na pre, sana.
Buwag muna kami dito, guys.
Gusto nyo ng episodes ng High Street, kailangan nandito kami.
Matutulog na talaga na maaga. Hindi, bawal. Sabayan mo
Hindi
kami.
pwede.
Work tayo.
Work tayo. Mukha ka pong Koreano, Harvey. Hindi. Oh, hi, Sibel.
Who's there?
Sibel. She is one of the heads of Soho International Film Fest.
Oh, hello.
Mm.
Nice to meet you.
Ano to? Ayoko sabihin eh. Natatakot
Pansit
ako
Canton.
Natatakot ako sabihin. Akala ko slur. Rest well after work. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dapat may Zoomer Season 3.
Kung gusto nyo ng Season 3,
Kayo
kailangan
na
nyo
bahala
manood.
dyan. Kayo na bahala dyan.
Kailangan nyo manood ng Season 2 para may Season 3. Right?
Indeed.
May Moises na si Sky, kaya layuan mo na siya, Wesley. Sabihin nyo kay Moy na wag pagtripan si Percy. Tapos iiwanan ni Wesley si Sky. Multiverse yan.
Multiverse of Madness.
Multiverse yan. Sorry.
Oras na ba? Tagal? 10 o'clock? 10:15.
It's close. 10:15. 25 minutes.
Ano thoughts niyo sa first 2 eps, guys?
Yeah, oo nga.
Kasi ako sobrang nagandahan talaga ako sa first 2 eps.
Go. What are your thoughts?
Kung approve ba sa inyo, 1 to 10, ganun.
Klaseng mic dito.
Wala nga eh.
Sino sa inyo si Harvey?
Ako.
Siya si Harvey, guys.
Manifesting Season 3, yes.
Yeah.
Me also.
You guys have to watch. You don't have to manifest if you guys watch the show.
Wow, 100 out of 10. Thank you.
Thank you. Nasa set po ba kayo? Yes. Dito kami sa... Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry, nag-beat muna kami kasi nagtitake sila. Baka may spoilers kayo na marinig. So,
Kanta ka daw.
kung inaakala mo
Ano kanta yan?
na di mo to alam, bro.
Sige na.
Hood classic to. Nang pag-ibig ko'y magbabago, itaga mo sa bato. Di mo to alam. Dumaan man ang maraming Pasko, kahit na di mo na ako marinig, kahit na nananabot ang sahig, kahit na ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko.
Wala. I don't know.
Pare, buko.
Hindi.
Di mo alam yung
Hindi ko
buko.
alam.
Buhay ko, buko. Yo!
Yo, that's actually, it's pretty witty.
Banger.
Bang.
Gawin bulilit banger.
Balik sa Coronadal. Please.
Balik sa Coronadal.
Gusto kong bumalik doon.
Yes.
Promise.
Yes.
Ang ganda niyong crowd.
Amazing crowd.
Napakaingay.
Amazing crowd. Jensen crowd is crazy.
Jigs para lang kay Hope. Matic.
Matic. Paano si Beth tsaka si Atom?
Ay,
Abangan.
bangan. May nakanood na nga ng F1 to 5 Super Kapamilya.
O Super Cat. Don't spoil.
No spoilers.
Don't spoil.
No spoilers.
You don't wanna be that person. Don't be that person. Don't be that person that ruins it for everyone.
Kuya Mark.
Kuya Mark.
Kuya Mark.
Say my name and everything just stops. Di ba kanta yan? And then everything just stops. One M or ipapost ko yung video. Wino-Wesley mo ba ako?
Oh, shh. Oh. Got my fall. Oh. Stuntman to, boy.
May dulas pa na ganun eh. When po magsa-start yung Zoomers? Now. We just saw yung teaser for tomorrow's episode. That means Zoomers is about to air. Shooting pa rin po bang High Street? Yep. Naka-Wesley ako ngayon.
Doc is in the building.
Doc is in the building. Doc is in the building. Harvey, kapag natutulog po ba ang isda, nagkukumot po ba sila?
Seaweed. Seaweed ata pumot nila.
Binabalot nila sa nila sa squid. Iniikot nila sa init. Watching Zoomer Season 2. Harvey Jigs Percy.
Porque contigo hindi
Harvey, what makes you young? It's an interesting question. What makes you young? My mindset,
Sheesh.
my youth, my youth is yours. Dipping on skies, dipping waterfalls, my youth. Can you do some post? Pipicturean ko lang. Okay, screenshot niyo na yun. Hindi na mangyari yun ulit. Hindi niyo lang makita yun. Dipping on skies, dipping waterfalls, my youth. Yeah. What makes you young? What makes you young?
Me?
Mm.
What makes me young?
State of mind ba to?
Parang gano'n na nga.
Yeah. I think being young is a state of mind.
Hindi lang sa state of mind, pero how you live your life.
True.
Na... Paano ba?
Sige, para patas tayo, kalahati lang din.
Hindi, gago. Wala live mo naman to.
Hindi, okay lang, nakakatawa din.
Ah,
Nakakatawa din yung frame.
what keeps me young?
What keeps you young?
Wala ka bang duty?
Okay, wait.